Natural collagen, secret at 50. DIY anti-aging cream with cucumber, aloe vera, and coconut oil. Hey there viewers, welcome back to Health for You. Today we're diving into one of the most amazing beauty secrets that can turn back the clock on your skin. A simple 100% natural anti-aging face cream that helps reduce wrinkles, boost collagen, and give your skin that radiant, youthful glow you've been dreaming of. You don't need expensive cosmetics or spa treatments, just a few ingredients from your kitchen like cucumber, aloe vera, coconut oil, olive oil, and cornstarch. So, sit back and relax, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own homemade collagen-boosting cream that can make your skin look years younger, naturally. Part 1. Why cucumber is the secret weapon for youthful skin. Did you know that the humble cucumber is one of nature's best-kept beauty secrets? It's made up of over 90% water and packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, silica, and antioxidants that deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. Here's what it does for your face. Fades wrinkles and fine lines, improves skin elasticity by stimulating collagen, calms inflammation and redness, rejuvenates tired, dull skin. That's why cucumber is the perfect base for our homemade anti-aging cream. It refreshes your skin and makes it glow from within. Part 2. Let's make it. The DIY natural anti-aging recipe. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 fresh cucumber, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of cucumber juice, 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. All of these are easy to find, and they're completely natural, safe, and skin-friendly. Step 2. Exfoliate and detox. Preparing your skin. Before applying any cream, it's important to remove dead skin cells and impurities so your skin can absorb nutrients better. Here's how. Wash and peel your cucumber. Blend it into a fine paste. Take the pulp and mix it with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gently massage the mixture on your face for about 3 minutes in circular motions. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This simple scrub helps remove dead skin, unclog pores, and leaves your skin soft, smooth, and glowing instantly. Part 3. Making the anti-aging cream. Now, let's create your homemade miracle cream. Take 3 tablespoons of cucumber juice in a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel, the skin-healing hero. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which deeply hydrates and nourishes. Blend everything well until smooth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into a bowl and heat it using a double boiler. Stir continuously until the mixture thickens into a creamy texture. Once it's ready, let it cool for about 30 minutes. And there you have it, your very own natural anti-aging cream ready to use. Part 4. How to use it for the best results. After cleansing your face, apply a thin layer of the cream to your face and neck. Gently massage in circular motions for about 5 minutes so the nutrients can fully penetrate your skin. Repeat this routine every 3 days for 1 month. If you stay consistent, you'll notice wrinkles around your eyes and mouth fading, your skin becoming smoother and firmer, and your face looking brighter, fresher, and more youthful than ever. Part 5. Why this works. The science behind it. Cucumber hydrates, refreshes, and fights oxidative stress. Aloe vera gel repairs skin cells, boosts collagen, and soothes sensitive skin. Coconut oil moisturizes deeply, improves elasticity, and reduces inflammation. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which protects the skin from UV damage and aging. Cornstarch gives the cream its texture and helps retain moisture on the skin. Together, these ingredients form a powerful blend that hydrates, nourishes, and rejuvenates your skin, helping it stay smooth, glowing, and youthful naturally. Part 6. Tips to maximize your results. Drink plenty of water to hydrate from the inside out. Eat vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, kiwis, and strawberries to boost natural collagen production. Always wear sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. Get enough sleep. Your skin regenerates while you rest. Stay positive and relaxed. Stress is one of the biggest causes of aging. Part 7. A few precautions. Even though this recipe uses natural ingredients, it's always a good idea to do a patch test on your wrist or behind your ear before applying it to your face. If there's no irritation after 24 hours, you're good to go. For the delicate area around your eyes, apply a very thin layer and massage gently. You can store this cream in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 days. Just make small batches to keep it fresh. Part 8. The results. Younger, softer, and brighter skin. After just 1 month of regular use, you'll notice visible changes. Softer, smoother skin texture, a radiant, natural glow, fewer wrinkles and fine lines, and an overall rejuvenated appearance. Many people who tried this DIY recipe said their skin felt reborn, refreshed, supple, and deeply nourished. Part 9. Final thoughts. You see, staying young and beautiful doesn't always require expensive skincare products or painful treatments. Sometimes the most powerful beauty secrets are hidden right in your kitchen. So go ahead, give this recipe a try, and let your natural beauty shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family. We'll be sharing more natural beauty tips and health remedies right here on Health for You. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, beauty begins with self-care. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and stay confident.